Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 13th to 25th. December 13th to 17th. This is what we're indicating. The model's in good agreement. We still have these negative height anomalies or a trough here over Alaska. And we have above normal heights over eastern Canada. Southward, that will extend into the west. You can see this as we go forward. And there's there's some indications of trough here across the southern U.S. So we go to the 17th. You see the model's in pretty good agreement. So we're going to look at another model. Let's see. All right, we're going to start here first in the west. Precipitation and wind will occur across the northwest late in the week, and again early next week. So here's the first system moving into the west. Moving into the west. This Thursday, Friday. Then we go Saturday. Then it winds down, and then early next week, here's the next system moving into the northwest. You can see here. Here's the notice with the 540 line. The highest elevations of the northwest will receive the heaviest snow. This also extended to California. We go into Monday, then we go to Tuesday, and here comes the next system with precipitation. Now, regarding the system in the east, okay, we're going to start here. We're going to look at the GFS here. The system's starting to organize here. Thursday, then we go Friday, it starts to get wound up, starts to draw moisture here from the Gulf. Notice where the 540 line is, precipitation is in the warm sector. And then we go forward, and time now the system starts spreading heavy rain and storms possible. The 540 line is here. And there will be snow, there'll be ice possible across central Appalachians Thursday night into Friday. So here's Friday, here's the 540 line. And then we go further into the period. Now you can see we have heavy rain here, current here. Now this system is to the west of the Appalachians. And then Sunday it starts to move out. That's the GFS. And we look at the European. 540 line is in the same spot. And it doesn't seem to be, and here's the heaviest rain. Almost the same thing. They're pretty close in agreement on this system here in the east. It also draws moisture here from the Atlantic across this region. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for December 16th to 20th. Here at the 16, little overall change is expected in the pattern. There's still some indications of a weakness here across the southern U.S. So we go to the 20th. Then we look at the rest of the models. They're pretty much in agreement, but we're looking at a lot of warmth here across the country during this period, and a change will be coming later on. I'll talk about that later, another change. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation. Forecasting anomalies of 6 degrees or more are possible. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is 40 to 55%, and then we have below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Okay, now we're going to talk about our change. Let's see. Okay, this is the Physical Science Division website, and you can see the EPO kind of diminishes now during this period. This is the EPO. This is the WPO. Here's the NAO goes positive, it's been negative. And then we have the PNA, which is positive. So, when you get to the other map, Okay. We're going to go late in the period. We're expecting heights to rise across the polar region. There you see it right there. But the EPO doesn't rush this change, but still shows it change across central Canada. You can see it here, the above normal heights. And positive heights start to build across the poles, suggesting that AO will trend negative late in the month, allowing for cold in the Midwest, Northeast, and Southeast. The Gulf of Alaska trough can be measured with the EPO index, as seems to be lessening in intensity. Models that are odd due to possibly this change, where the European, where is it? What I'm looking for? The European ensembles has a trough in the west, ridge in the east, and the GFS has near to below normal heights across much of the nation. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the west. Anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees are expected, and then we have above normal temperatures for the east, with anomalies of at least 6 degrees above normal. I think the change will be occurring like around Christmas time or shortly thereafter. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and along the east coast, southeast mid-Atlantic, and the northeast. And the probability of occurrence is 45%. And then we have below normal precipitation for the Mississippi Valley. Probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 13th to 25th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.